Hi, everybody. I just wanted to take a minute to show you how to download your AutoCAD drawings using the app so that it comes out as a .dwg, which is an AutoCAD file. Remember that if you're posting this in any kind of forum like Google Classroom, you will not be able to view it. You will only be able to view it with AutoCAD or the AutoCAD app. So here I am with my finished drawing here, and I'm going to click right here where it says AutoCAD Web and Mobile. And here's a list of stuff that I've saved to my Autodesk account. Now, right here is the one we just did, the ISO Verdisco right there. Going to go ahead and check mark that. Sorry about that. The class is changing periods. That's the bell. So we check this off, and then you see this menu comes up. Now, if I go right here, I can go to download, click that, and then what you'll see is, amongst other things that I've downloaded, right there, you've got it. Now I can go right here, show in folder. I can copy and paste it wherever I want, put it in a place where I'm going to find it, and then it's available to hand in via Google Classroom, flash drive, whatever it is that the class you're in you're working with. All right, and we thank you.